This is a program to remove alphabets from a number. In this, we will use .indexOf to do the job. So I'm CTR, welcome to Education Value. Today we have another amazing video on the Java program, so let's do it. So this is the code to remove the alphabets from program. So we basically take the input and use the next line to take the input, and then we create a string where we will add the alphabets after removal of the we will add the string after removal of the alphabets from that string. So in that we will start the loop from start to the end of the sentence, or that whichever string we are taking. After that we will extract each character and then use .indexOf. So .indexOf is basically a string method that is used to get the position of that string in that position of that string inside that string. Okay, so position of A will be 0, position of C will be 2, and position of E will be 4. So but if a position is not present in that string, so it will render -1. So if C dot index of C is equals to -1, so this is the, here we are taking A to Z in small alphabets as well as A to Z in bigger alphabets. So abcd.indexOf, abcd is the alphabets. If that character is not present in this variable, which is A to Z, then only it will be added in Z. Simple. Like if it is not present in A to Z, then it will get added to Z. For example, if 5 roses and daisies are of colors, so it will add 5 and 5. Let me run the program once. 5 roses and are of 5 colors, 5 and 5. So if the character is not found in the alphabets, then only it gets added to Z. If it's not found, example, space will not be found, the symbols will not be found, the numbers will not be found. If those are not found, then only it gets added to the string. So let's say we also want to remove the spaces, because otherwise it doesn't look good in a sentence. For example, we will enter the previous sentence: 5 roses and 5 daisies and 5 roses. So it has unnecessary space and doesn't actually look like it has been removed. So what we will do is add a space simply. So when we will add a space, 5 and enter, so it will enter 5 and 5. So this is what actually should be the program. So all we do is use alphabets dot index of C is equals to 1, which means it is not present in the alphabets. Then it gets added to our Z and gets printed. /F is used to clear the space before our printing. So that was the program to remove alphabets from a sentence. Thank you.